Updating your primary email on Amazon Prime is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account information is current. Step 1. Sign into your account. Go to the Amazon website and click on the Sign In button. Enter your current email address and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to your account settings. Once signed in, hover over the Account and List option at the top right corner of the page. Click on your account from the drop-down menu to access your account settings. Step 3. Select your login and security. In the Account Settings menu, find and click on the Login and Security option. This section contains your account's email address and other security settings. Step 4. Edit your email address. Locate the email address section and click on the Edit button next to it. Enter your new email address in the provided field and confirm it by re-entering the same email. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, click on the Save Changes button. Amazon may send a verification email to your new address, so check your inbox and follow any instructions provided. By following these steps, you can easily update your primary email on Amazon Prime. Make sure to keep your account information up to date for a better experience.